We found this wooden bunny at Hobby Lobby for $5.99. And we did cut off his little cottontail. We found this moss at Dollar General for $1, and I am completely obsessed with it. And we started to cover our bunny, attaching it with hot glue. There are so many things that you can attach this moss to. It's endless. You'll definitely be seeing this again. This was so much fun. And very easy. Now, once the moss was bigger than the shape, we glued it down and then flipped him over using an X-Acto knife. We cut off all the excess. Guys, I'm thinking planters, any wood shape, so many things we can attach this moss to. I'm very excited about it. And it's inexpensive. Now, Hobby Lobby, right now, the Easter items are not on sale. So I did pay full price for him. I found this little frame from Michael's for a few dollars. And I wood glued and hot glued to the back of my bunny. And it actually gave him a little stand so he could stand versus hang. So that's really just an option for you guys. You could stand him or you can hang him because there is a hanger on the back. And I found these beads at Hobby Lobby. I did pay $9.99 because they were not on sale yet. And I tied it with a jute. However, I did grab the in-store 40% off. So I was able to get them for less. Once I glued the beads to him, I really did not like the tassel hanging. I think that would be cute if you decide to hang him. But for standing him, I removed some beads and that tassel and just tied it off. There's so many ways to decorate this bunny and options of where you want to place him, whether you hang him on a door or a wall or stand him. I added a little egg and a flower bud at the bottom. Now, in my home, I'm going to hang him from a wall. I grabbed this white basket that I had in my home. I believe you can get these at Hobby Lobby. This is a round basket. And I added a floral wreath. And with some floral wire, I added the wreath and the bunny to the basket. And he will be hanging on a wall in my home. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, go check us out on YouTube. Thank you so much.